Bye. So today turned out to be one of those days you wish you had planned completely different. We left Deer Lake and headed toward Bottomless Pond. The pond flooded a few years ago and they built a detour around the mountain. The detour was mucky, but it was really no big deal to get around. This year though, when we got there, after traveling several hours from Deer Lake, we discovered that now the detour itself was also flooded. Now someone had taken a chainsaw and cut out a path, but I think it was done probably by skidooers when the snow was down. It was just horrible looking. The path was just terrible. To say I was a bit stressed was really an understatement. To go back would have cost us hours. But Greg and Janice and Leslie and Joanne and I, we all had brand new machines that we were trying to get used to. And there's just no way that we were going to attempt that crappy little cart path. There's some crazy angles in there I don't think we could have cut anyway. I didn't want to go back to Goose Arm Road, so I made the difficult decision to try to get to Jacob's Ladder for gas and then we could reassess. Well, let me tell you, that was a disaster too. Path after path turned out to be either washed out, unpassable, or completely overgrown. We were constantly turning around. It just went from bad to worse, really. In my frustration, I decided to run the highway for a couple of kilometers. We got to the gas station and I asked the locals there for help. They told us that there was a logging road about 7 kilometers up the highway that would connect us ultimately to where it was we wanted to go. And there was a trail right behind the gas station that would take us there. I said to the clerk, you know, we're several hours behind right now. What's that path like for 7 kilometers? The woman leaned into me and she said, if it were me, I'd take the highway. So that's what we did. We took her advice and we, finally reached the logging road. I was so happy I couldn't help myself but do a happy dance. My happy dance! This is where we would have come up.
Oh, okay.
So we're back in business. We're back on my training trail, on my trail. So, what do you guys think?
Oh my God,
I think it could have been a little deeper.
Easier coming up than going down.
Yes, much easier.
Well worth it. Yeah.
You guys enjoyed it?
Oh yeah.
Worth the extra 20 kilometers,
yeah.
Yeah.
20
We don't get
clicks
to
was
see
nothing.
this stuff that often, right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
No.
No, I'll tell you. Frank Zink's tours, I recommend it.
I'm going to double my price now.
Just make sure you have good life insurance.
Yeah, apparently. Well, congratulations. You're part of the Lowman Sinkhole crew.
Thank you.
Excellent.
You get a prize.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.